Guys, I know some people have lost interest already in this platform because of the delay in processing withdrawals. However, I have just made a fresh withdrawal and I am hoping that in the next 3 days that withdrawal will be processed. This is how they have been processing withdrawals since they started paying in CuBig. I have made small withdrawals, very small amounts. It's not a big amount, very small amount, but so far they have been able to process my first 2 withdrawals, and then this last one that I just made right now before I started recording this video. I am hoping that they are going to pay that one in the next 3 days. But I just want to share with you what you are looking at right now on the screen. Okay, if you follow the arrow, you will see my first withdrawal that has been paid, and I have also received it in my USDT BEP20 wallet. The second one was also made, and of course it was processed and paid as well. And then the third one, which is the one I did today, if you look at the date, you will notice that I actually did it today. Okay, so this one is getting paid in the next 3 days. So far they have been paying, but very, very slow, and the amount of money they are paying is very small. Don't get me wrong, they have changed a lot of things within these few days, and I've not been able to record the video to give you all the updates. But in the next few days, I am going to record an update video, and then you guys will be fully updated with what is going on. However, if you are already in the official Telegram channel of CuBig, you should have gotten all the updates, because that is where I also get the updates. Okay, so I highly recommend that everyone should plug into that Telegram channel so that you will get the latest updates instead of waiting for me to give you updates. Okay, as I said, I know some people have lost interest and they are no longer completing their daily tasks, which is fine. I am still completing my daily tasks. Okay, it doesn't cost me anything to complete my daily tasks in CuBig. Whenever they want to pay the ROU, which is the reward unit, because they've changed it now to be reward units. So, and they said one reward unit is equivalent to $9.99. So anytime they are ready to pay that, from what I can gather, I think it will take a bit of time for them to be able to convert the ROU to dollars, and then for us to withdraw in dollars. So yeah, that is it, guys. I just thought I should let you guys know that withdrawal is still working in CuBig. It is being delayed in terms of processing, but it is working, right? So if you are still in CuBig and if you have the time, just go through the daily tasks, watch the videos for 30-35 seconds, click on the ads, do your daily points, which is up to 13 points if you have the time, if you are still interested. Otherwise, that is fine. For us that are completing the tasks, we are going to continue to earn small money, right? As you can see from the screenshot that I shared with you just now, nothing is guaranteed, as we know that. Okay, but every little helps. I know it's very small money. It could be a big amount of money for some people from other parts of the world, but as I said, this is working so far. They are slow, but it is working. So if you are patient enough, you should be able to, do this as a side hustle. Okay, do CuBig as a side hustle of your online passive income streams. Okay, if you know what I mean. So guys, thank you very much. I just thought I should let you know that I just made a fresh withdrawal, and once that is paid, I will also let you guys know in my channel. Thank you. God bless.